Samsung is unveiling the lineup, including the Base, Plus and Ultra variants, on February 25th. The retail availability of the handsets may start from March 11th. Design leaks show a shift towards softer, rounded edges, moving further from the sharp, boxy Note-style look. The rear features a pill-shaped camera module housing most sensors, with one lens positioned separately. The front has a flat display with slimmer bezels and a centered hole-punch selfie camera. Physical buttons remain on the right side. Galaxy S26 Ultra launch in black, white, blue, and purple color options. The S26 Ultra's display is tipped to be a 6.9-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED panel. A new privacy display feature, already teased, should reduce side-angle visibility to protect content from prying eyes. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC. Minimum RAM is listed at 12 GB and up to 16 GB per 1 TB configurations. The phone will likely launch with Android 16 and One UI 8.5. The Galaxy S26 Ultra feature an enhanced 200MP primary rear camera with an f/1.4 aperture, a 50MP periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, 50MP ultra-wide camera, a 12MP front-facing camera with a wider 85-degree field of view lens. Battery capacity in the S26 Ultra is 5000 mAh with 60W wired charging, and Qi 2 wireless charging supported. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.